So you have opened your new company. Great. But there is plenty of obstacles. Financial problems, marketing questions, bureaucracy and fear of fail. And everyone around you tells you that 90% of startups fail. The only answer is to get a set of proven skills from experienced entrepreneurs. But where? That's why the team of MultiENT Coach project created a one-week entrepreneurial educational workshop dealing with rising funds, entrepreneurial mindset, overcoming the fear of failure, entrepreneurial soft skills, business model canvas, pitching and many other topics, all important for young entrepreneurs. And the result?
The MultiENT coaching seminar in Cyprus. I think this was one of the greatest experiences I got.
The whole program was a success and it was excellent from different points of view. The topics that were presented were very beneficial to my activity as an entrepreneur.
The workshop was fantastic, beyond any expectations I had.
Because we had two extraordinary mentors, which are also businessmen, so they didn't talk from books, they talked from their real life experience.
The trainers were great, excellent in keeping us together, creating a team, even though we have been from 3 different countries, including the trainers.
A lot of the information that you kind of subconsciously know but don't know how to apply, and it's a great mix between theoretical and practical stuff.
New ideas, new type of mindsets.
And because of the fact that every example they have given us, it was directly related to our businesses.
Now I have a better glimpse of my business, a better glimpse of business environment all across Europe, and I can definitely go back home and apply it to my business. So a very, very big thank you for all the hard work, and for anyone interested, you should definitely go through this seminar because you will gain a lot.
Along with hard work, we had time to taste local food, see beautiful places and have a lot of fun. And most importantly, we have not become just business partners, we became excellent friends, and that counts. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link and check what skills you can get. Build your self-confidence and start living your dream. For free, of course. Everything is financed by the European Erasmus Plus program.